What are your expectations for the new OnePlus Ace 3V? The air is buzzing with anticipation as the tech world eagerly awaits the unveiling of this new device. And why wouldn't it? The OnePlus Ace 3V has already made waves with its listing on Geekbench, and a recent live image leak has only added fuel to the fire of curiosity. The sleek bezels, punch-hole display, and strategically placed buttons and alert slider have already captured our attention. But these are just the surface details. The real magic lies within, waiting to be revealed. OnePlus China President Li Jie has confirmed that the launch is imminent, with the promise of the new Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chip, a robust battery and an OLED screen. It's no wonder tech enthusiasts are on the edge of their seats. Now, let's dive into the features of this anticipated device. First off, the OnePlus Ace 3V sports a familiar-looking punch-hole display with sleek bezels. This design choice provides an almost edge-to-edge screen, maximizing your viewable area and giving the phone a modern, stylish look. The punch-hole display is a popular choice amongst many smartphone manufacturers, and OnePlus has adopted this design for its Ace 3V model. Now, let's talk about the placement of the buttons and the alert slider. The alert slider, a unique feature that OnePlus users have come to love, is located on the left-hand side of the phone. This handy little switch allows you to easily toggle between different sound profiles without having to unlock your phone. On the opposite side, you'll find the volume rocker and the power button. These buttons have been strategically placed for easy access, making it convenient for one-handed operation. Now, moving on to the screen. The OnePlus Ace 3V is expected to offer an OLED screen with 1.5K resolution. But what does this mean for you, the user? Well, OLED technology offers deeper blacks, more vibrant colors, and better contrast compared to traditional LCD screens. This means that everything you view on the Ace 3V, from your favorite movies to your social media feeds, will be more vivid and lifelike. The 1.5K resolution sits somewhere between Full HD, which is 1080p, and 2K, which is 1440p. This offers a significant upgrade from standard HD, providing sharper images and clearer text. You'll notice the difference especially when you're watching high-definition content or playing graphics-intensive games. OnePlus has always been known for its high-quality displays, and the Ace 3V is no exception. Whether you're a movie buff who enjoys watching films on your phone, a gamer who needs a high-resolution screen for the best gaming experience, or someone who just appreciates a beautiful display, the Ace 3V has you covered. With such a display, OnePlus Ace 3V promises an immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, OnePlus Ace 3V is a powerhouse. That's right folks, this device is set to be the first to launch with Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chip. Now you might be wondering, what exactly does this mean for the performance of the phone? Well, let's delve a little deeper. The Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chip is a symbol of innovation. It's Qualcomm's latest and greatest, designed to provide top-tier performance and efficiency. This chip will enhance the device's overall speed, allowing for faster app launches, quicker downloads, and a smoother user interface. And it's not just about speed. This chip also promises to deliver stellar performance when it comes to gaming. With more and more users turning to their smartphones for gaming, the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chip is a game-changer in a literal sense. It is expected to provide breathtaking graphics, reduced lag, and a more immersive gaming experience. Whether it's a high-speed racing game or a detailed open-world adventure, the OnePlus Ace 3V is ready to handle it all with ease. But it's not all about power and speed. The Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chip is also designed for efficiency, ensuring that the phone doesn't compromise on battery life. This means you can browse, game, and stream to your heart's content without constantly worrying about finding the nearest power outlet. In terms of everyday use, this chip will make the OnePlus Ace 3V a joy to use. From browsing social media to streaming your favorite shows, to multitasking between apps, the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chip will ensure a seamless and fluid experience. So, whether you're a hardcore gamer, a serial streamer, or just someone who wants a smooth and efficient smartphone experience, the OnePlus Ace 3V, with its innovative Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chip, is the device that promises to deliver. It's not just a phone, it's a powerhouse. With such a processor, the OnePlus Ace 3V is set to deliver exceptional performance. And that's not just a claim, it's a promise from OnePlus. The OnePlus Ace 3V is more than just a phone, it's a testament to the power of technology. Now let's talk about power. The OnePlus Ace 3V packs a 5,500 mAh battery. Imagine this. It's the crack of dawn and you're on your way to a full day of meetings, errands, or maybe even a day trip. You've got your smartphone with you, of course. It's your lifeline, your connection to the world. But as the day wears on, you watch as the battery level drops lower and lower. It's a universal experience we've all had, right? Well, with the OnePlus Ace 3V, that's a worry of the past. This device comes with a hefty 5,500 mAh battery. That's a lot of juice. For comparison, the average smartphone battery hovers around the 3,000 mAh mark. So you're getting almost twice the power with the OnePlus Ace 3V. What does this mean for you? Well, it translates to longer screen time, more calls, more messages, more browsing, more streaming, more gaming, more of everything you love to do on your smartphone. But what about when you do need to recharge? This is where the OnePlus Ace 3V truly shines. It supports 100-watt wired charging. That's right, 100 watts. To give you a little context, most smartphones support around 15 to 20 watts. So with 100 watts, you're looking at significantly reduced charging times. Imagine this. You plug your phone in, and in the time it takes to take a shower and get dressed, your phone is fully charged and ready to go. No more overnight charging, no more panicking when your battery is low and you're about to head out. The OnePlus Ace 3V's charging capabilities are a game changer. And let's not forget the environmental impact. Faster charging means less time plugged in, which means less energy consumed. It's a small step, but every little bit helps when it comes to reducing our carbon footprint. With this battery capacity and charging speed, the OnePlus Ace 3V is designed to keep you powered all day long. But what about capturing moments? The OnePlus Ace 3V has got you covered. Let's dive into the camera specifics. The OnePlus Ace 3V sports dual rear cameras, neatly stacked vertically in their own unique ring. This isn't just for aesthetics, though it does give the phone a sleek, modern look. This arrangement allows for a more streamlined and efficient camera system, improving both your photography and videography experiences. The dual camera setup is a powerhouse, offering a range of features that allow you to capture your moments in the most creative ways possible. Whether you're a professional photographer or a casual user who loves taking spontaneous snapshots, the OnePlus Ace 3V has you covered. The primary lens will let you capture high-resolution photos with incredible detail, while the secondary lens is expected to offer a different perspective, perhaps a wide-angle or a telephoto view. This means you can capture a broader scene or get a close-up shot without losing any detail. Switching gears, let's talk about the other features that haven't been discussed yet. The OnePlus Ace 3V comes with an alert slider on the left-hand side. This is a handy feature that lets you quickly switch between different sound profiles, a rarity in Android devices. The phone's power and volume buttons are located on the right-hand side, ensuring easy and intuitive access. The bezels are sleek, framing the punch-hole display elegantly, and the overall design is clean and modern. The OnePlus Ace 3V is also the first phone to be powered by Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chip. With this, you can expect faster processing, better power efficiency, and a smoother user experience. But the icing on the cake is the phone's battery life. With a massive 5,500 mAh battery and support for 100W wired charging, you can expect long hours of usage and super fast recharging times. With these features, the OnePlus Ace 3V is more than just a smartphone, it's a complete package. So, that's the OnePlus Ace 3V for you. A phone that promises to redefine the smartphone experience. Its sleek design, featuring a punch-hole display and slim bezels, is certainly a sight to behold. The alert slider, volume, and power buttons are conveniently placed, ensuring a seamless user experience. But the OnePlus Ace 3V isn't just about good looks. It packs a punch with the first-ever Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chip, promising top-tier performance. The massive 5,500 mAh battery, coupled with 100-watt wired charging support, ensures that you're always powered up and ready to go. The phone doesn't skimp on visual quality either. An OLED screen with 1.5K resolution offers crisp, vibrant imagery. And let's not forget the dual rear cameras poised to capture your world in stunning detail. The OnePlus Ace 3V is not just a phone, it's a statement of power, performance, and style.